Hello and welcome again to today's Swahili lesson. We are still on Noun Classes series. Make sure to follow the links below to learn other lessons about noun classes. In today's lesson, we will discuss noun class 1 and class 2. So for the noun class 1 and 2, is and wa. Okay, so and the noun prefixes are wa. This noun class has the following nouns. The first group is nouns of the people that start with in singular and wa in plural. The second group is other nouns of people. The third group is animals, wanyama. The fourth group is birds, ndege. The fifth group is insects, wadudu. And then the sixth group is fish, samaki. So let's look at the following examples. Group 1, noun of the people that start with in singular and wa in plural. For example, mtoto, child, watoto, children. Mgeni, wageni, visitor, visitors. Mfaransa, wafaransa. French person, French people. Mjomba, wajomba. Uncle, uncle. Mke, wake. Wife, wives. And so many others. Okay, and then the second group is other nouns of people. For example, baba, father. Babu, grandfather. Dada, sister. Kaka, brother. And then mama, mother. The third group is wanyama, animals. For example, mbwa, dog. Paka, cat. Ng'ombe, cow. Simba, lion. And ndovu, elephant. Okay, the fourth group is birds, ndege. For example, kuku, hen. Kasuku, parrot. Tai, eagle. Bata mzinga, turkey. Okay, and then the fifth group is insects, wadudu. For example, nyuki, bee. Mbu, mosquito. Nzi, fly. Okay, the last group is fish, samaki. Okay, for example, ngege, tilapia. Papa, shark. Okay, so note that when using a verb, this noun class uses a in singular and wa in plural for sentence formation. Okay, let's see the examples of sentence formation. For example, mwanafunzi anasoma. The student is reading. Wanafunzi wanasoma. The students are reading. Okay. Another example is mwalimu anaimba. The teacher is singing. Walimu wanaimba. The teachers are singing. Rafiki alikuja nyumbani. The friend came home. Rafiki walikuja nyumbani. The friends came home. Mama anapika kuku. The mother is cooking chicken. Mama wanapika kuku. The mothers are cooking chicken. Okay, that's the end of today's lesson. Let's meet next week.